I think some of the answers will be obvious, so it is to be recognized. To ideally be recognized as a credible and trustful advisor and partner. And if you want to compete with the 800 cross-border managers that are around in Europe, you better have a brand and people know what you stand for. So not to your surprise, I think there's a lot of ingredients to that recipe. But I would say, to keep it short, one part of the success is that you have regional presence. So if you want to penetrate the European market, you should have an office in each of the relevant countries, which we do. So to understand the language, understand the different needs of the different regions. And to give you an idea, because you asked for Columbia Threadneedle, so we opened our office in Germany, which is my home country, only 25 years ago. And in Italy, Spain and Switzerland, we are there for more than 15 years, with people on the ground, and that helps you to build brand and to build trust over time. I've been here for 2 days. It's been exciting throughout the whole time. I've been meeting my peers. I've been meeting people who work in different areas of our business, from fund manager to especially clients. And it's, we are in the post-COVID world, so it's been a long time where we have not been meeting people in person. And it's great to see people here embracing meetings in person again. And that is something that I enjoy as much as obviously everybody else here. Hopefully a lot, but let me just focus on, let's say, product. So one of the themes that we've been listening to here throughout the 2 days is around RI or ESG. And while we are very strong in ESG and RI, I would just like to carve out one thing, which is the S, the social. And in social, we launched a UK social bond strategy 10 years ago. 7 years ago, we launched a European version of that. And only today, we promoted the launch of our global social bond strategy. And I think this is something where we really differentiate from many others. And what I've heard from the panels and from people I have been able to talk to, people are finding that very innovative and interesting. So what brought me is, first of all, an invitation. So thank you for that one. And secondly, it is a little bit like I said earlier, it is meeting interesting people from across the regions with different functions, all at one place, and I truly enjoy that.